What is up, everybody? AJ Gaming here, and today we have some more Will You Press the Button? Yes, I hit you with the double upload on the same game. Alright, repress the button. Every game is free. Playing games is illegal except on the weekends. That's kind of hard, but, I need my game, so, I will not. Oh, and, I am sorry for whenever I click on and it gives me to a different page, my face cam just disappears. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. Every game is free. Okay. Oh, they would press it? I'll tell you one thing that's not. Post a screenshot on Tumblr and you get over a billion notes. The last post, yeah. I don't use Tumblr, so yeah, that's what I thought. You can press this button, but it electrocutes you. I need a little electric shock. Alright. You gain the ability to shapeshift into any person, creature, or thing you want while retaining your sentence. Everything you know thinks you're everyone you know thinks you're dead, and you can never interact with them ever again. Okay. Okay, that's hard because you could shapeshift into I don't know, The Rock or someone, but you can't interact with your family. Okay. Wait, then there would be two rocks, wouldn't there? Only one can remain. I'm sorry, Dwayne. Let's see who did it or not. Oh, a lot of people did not press it. That's I'll let you know one thing. I would press. I do that because who doesn't want to be Dwayne The Rock Johnson? You can make the person in you can make the person you love happy. You can never be happy yourself. Well, I mean, I'm never happy myself, so. Alright, guys, this was a kind of a short video, but, I have to do some stuff, so, yeah, I will see you in the next upload. Peace.